Hi guys. I know that recently I talked about my product plan and how I do keywords, etc. And I think that I confused a lot of people. I didn't mean to, but I think that because I was looking at trends and things, I think people got confused on what they actually need to do in order to list their products. So I wanted to quickly explain how I work out what I'm putting in my title and tags, and just show you how easy this is and get you to use this formula to actually get your listings up, because this is all that you need. You don't need any fancy software. This is all you need to get started, and I promise you it works. So this is a spreadsheet that I use. Basically, all I'll put in here is the product. So let's just say, for instance, we're going to do scan to pay, just because they're trending at the moment. So scan to pay templates, right? The main keywords that we are probably going to use here would be scan to pay Canva template. Then another way to describe it is probably like QR code sign for business. And another way is probably like link for online payment options. So see how that's got like quite a variety of words. I haven't repeated anything in there except for the word for, but that doesn't count. So that's basically what you need to do to get the words for your title. So what you want to do is have these main keywords and then have some descriptive ones and merge the two together. So when it comes to descriptive words, they're going to be describing what your product actually looks like. So is it modern? Is it moody or colorful or stylish or bright, or even is it easy to use? Words like that are what you're going to fill in that descriptive keywords bit. Then you're going to look at who is it for. So if it's scan to pay, then it could be like beauty salons, lash technicians, could be hairdressers, it could be nail technicians, etc. Massage therapists, all of those. So you want to go through and brainstorm who could use it. Then what it is your next thing. So again, the same as in the title, you're going to have scan to pay, you're going to have QR code sign, and maybe online payment link. Where can they use it? Online, digital, be a printable, what will be a printable. When can they use it? It's an instant download. And why do they want it? What's the main reason somebody wants a scan to pay sign? It's to accept payment. What other words could we use? Get paid. They want something that's branded, stylish, etc. So this is basically all you need to do for each of your products. So if you do lots of one template, so let's just say, for instance, you do wedding invitations. If you do a brainstorm once, then you've got the basics of it down, and all you need to do is change your descriptive keywords and why do they want it. So basically all you need to do now is form a title out of these two sections here. And then your tags, you're going to make a combination of all of these. So you want to always have 2 words on a tag if you possibly can, because that gives you, if you use all 13 tags, that gives you 26 keywords that you could be found for. You don't want to repeat the keywords, so we would take that out. because you've already got it there, and you would just add more. So just keep thinking and brainstorming all the ideas. And this is all you need to do, because this wide variety of keywords is going to help you get found in search. Because if somebody is looking for a scan to pay sign, then you're going to come up under sign, QR code, scan to pay, online payment link. You're going to have all of those options that people might be typing into the actual search bar. So I hope that this has helped you. I just wanted to clear it up so that I'm not confusing anybody. And I just want you to know how simple it is to actually do the keywords.